Says out Promise, pass to begin, going west, sorry outside, up muna, running by the rallies, Camry, salang dahan, now we are Promise, running by the rally, going west, sorry outside, up muna, salang dahan, Mr. Slim comes next, moving up Toscana, Nicole Spett, running by the rally, Camry, my cup of tea, and Marquis Wold is the early tour. Apo Moon now takes the lead, Promise in second, going west on the outside third. Then racing in fourth, Salangdaan, Mr. Slim in fifth, Nicole Spett, Toscana, Cambria, My Cup of Tea, and Marquis World still racing in this. And that's still up. Moon by about 3 lengths. Going west now in second, Promise in third, Salangdaan, Mr. Slim, Miss Dollar inside fourth, Nicole Spett, Toscana comes next, Camry, My Cup of Tea, and trailing the group still is Marquis World, with Apo Moon still the leader by about 2.5 lengths. Going west, coming closer in second, Mr. Slim in third, Promise in fourth, Toscana coming closer in fifth, Camry in sixth, with Apo Moon still the leader by about 2 lengths. Going west, Toscana, Mr. Slim, Promise is on the outside, Apo Moon going west on the outside, Toscana, Promise going west takes the lead, Toscana on the outside, going west, Toscana is on the outside, but it's still going west. Toscana, Promise, My Cup of Tea, Mr. Slim, Apo Moon.
Número 6, Going West. Ang official winner dito sa race number 3. Segundo, número 8, Toscana.